Hi, I'm Sawyer Kuepker, and today I'm going to show you how to do the Rubik's Cube. A few things you need to know before you start. There's four faces that you need to know: the up, right, left, and front face. There's two moves you need to know how to do: a regular move, which is a clockwise turn of a specific side, and an inverted turn, which is a counterclockwise turn. First thing you need to do is decide which side to start with. So we'll start with this blue side. And the first thing you want to do is get the blue cross on the blue side. So what you want to do is you want to find the blue and red piece, and like this you want to get it directly under where it needs to go, and all you do is rotate it up, and then it's in the right spot. So then you do that with the other pieces. You have the blue and white piece, and when you rotate this one you can see it's backwards. So when it's backwards, all you do is you go front inverted, up, left inverted, up inverted, and then you can see it's in the right place. And then you do that with the remaining two sides, and you should have the blue face completely done. Or you have the blue cross. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to finish this blue face, and you want to get the four corner pieces. So in this case you want to get the blue, the yellow, and the red piece directly under where it's supposed to go, like that. And then you do right inverted, down inverted, right, down, and then you can see it's in the right place. And then you do that with the remaining pieces, and you do that move until it's in the right spot. So you might have to do it multiple times, like that. Now you can see we have the entire blue face done, along with the bottom row of every side. So now you want to put the completed face facing down, and your next goal is to get the four side pieces in the middle row in the right place. So what we want to do is you want to pay attention to this top row and this top square around the top. So then you pick a piece that does not involve green in it, being that's the top color. So you pick this yellow and red piece, and you line it up with this yellow piece, and you want to move it to the right. So you go up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front, and you can see it's in the right place. And then you do that with the remaining three pieces. So you find a new one. You can see this orange and white piece needs to go to the left. So you do the same move except backwards. So up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted, and you can see it's in the right place. And then you should have two more, so you do those. Now you can see the blue face is still intact while you've achieved the bottom two rows on all the sides. And your next goal is to get the green cross across the top. And you're going to have one of three designs on the top at this point. You're either going to have just the center green piece, you're going to have a green L like that, or you're going to have a horizontal line that goes across the cube. And if you have this green L like this, you want to make sure it's facing the top left, and then you do front, right, up, right inverted, front inverted, up inverted, and then you have the green line. And then once you have the green line, you want to make sure it goes across, and you do front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, and then you can see you have the green cross while everything else remains intact. And your next goal is to line up the four side center stripes. And what you want to do is you want to find two that are lined up. There should always be two. You want to face one away from you and one to the right of you, and then you're going to do the following move: right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, up, right inverted, and then one more turn, and then you have all the center pieces lined up. Now what you want to do is you want to get the four remaining pieces in the right place, but not necessarily orientated right. So what you want to look for first is one that is in the right place. You can see this one is right here because you have the green, orange, and white. And so what you want to do is you want to put that one towards you and to the right, and you want to do the following move: up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. And you repeat that until they're all in the right place. And as you can see now, they're all in the right place. It just so happens that 2 of them are orientated correctly. So you want to pick one that is not orientated correctly, like this one here, and put it towards you and to the right, and do this algorithm. In this part, it's going to look like you're really messing it up, but if you just stick with it, it works out. So you're going to do right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down, until you get it where it needs to be. And then you're going to do a quarter turn of up inverted, and then repeat that. Then one more turn, and there you have it. The Rubik's Cube is solved. So with little patience and using the correct moves at the correct time, anyone can solve the Rubik's Cube.